Relieves cough. It helps to suppress coughing, providing relief from this uncomfortable symptom. Reduces sneezing. The antihistamine component can help alleviate sneezing associated with allergies or colds. Minimizes allergy symptoms. It can help manage various allergy symptoms like a runny nose. Helps manage insomnia due to its antihistamine content. It may induce sleepiness, aiding with sleep issues related to illness. Alleviates motion sickness. Diphenhydramine, an ingredient, is known to help with motion sickness. Lowers the risk of hay fever symptoms. It can provide relief from symptoms associated with hay fever.